Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum educarians. I hope all of you are fine and taking good care of yourself. Welcome in computer class. Dear students, today we are going to start our final term, lesson number 1. In this lesson, we are going to start our unit number 3. So, let's begin. The material required for today's lesson is lead pencil, eraser, sharpener, highlighter, ruler, computer textbook, and a computer notebook. Dear students, I hope all of you are having this material and get ready for today's lesson. Dear students, today we are going to start our unit number 3, MS Windows, the operating system. The contents of today's lesson are operating system, Microsoft Windows, working with Windows XP, Windows desktop. So let's have a look. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn about what is operating system. You will be able to know about Microsoft Windows and how to work with Windows XP, what is Windows desktop and what are desktop items. Please open your computer textbook and come to page number 23. Write today's task, day and date on your textbook. Let's start our unit number 3, MS Windows, the operating system. A computer does many things at a time. Dear students, computer एक टाइम में बहुत सारे functions perform कर सकता है. It therefore requires a manager. इसलिए कंप्यूटर को एक मैनेजर की ज़रूरत होती है जो कंप्यूटर को मैनेज और कंट्रोल कर सके. The manager of a computer is called its operating system. The operating system is the software that helps us to operate the computer system through its various functions. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक सॉफ्टवेयर और प्रोग्राम होता है जिसकी मदद से हम कंप्यूटर को मैनेज और कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. इट मैनेजेस एंड कंट्रोल्स द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज इज द मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. Nowadays, सबसे ज़्यादा यूज होने वाला ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज. Microsoft Windows is the most common operating system being used worldwide. It is called a graphical user interface based operating system. Microsoft Windows को graphical user interface operating system भी कहते हैं because there are graphics used to communicate with the computer. क्योंकि हमारे पास Microsoft Windows में graphics, pictures और icons होते हैं जिसकी मदद से हम कंप्यूटर को ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं. We can perform different actions on it by just clicking the mouse button. There are many versions of Windows, such as Windows 98, 2000, XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. The latest version is Microsoft Windows 8. Don't forget to underline do you know. Linux, Ubuntu, and macOS are some other operating systems. Dear students, highlight the main points on your textbook. Come to the page number 24 of your textbook. Working with Windows XP. When we switch on the system, a welcome message of Windows appears. A Windows screen follows this message. This screen is also known as the desktop. Windows desktop. Dear students, desktop is like a study table. We keep books or articles which we use frequently on the study table. Similarly, desktop कंप्यूटर की ऐसी स्क्रीन है जिसके ऊपर फाइल्स, फोल्डर्स और आइकन्स पड़े होते हैं. There are mainly three things that we the desktop. These three things are wallpaper, icons and taskbar. Underline, do you know the Windows operating system has been developed by Microsoft? Let's all answer me. List the things placed on the top of this desk. Pencil box, book, teddy bear, cup, tablecloth. With the help of this slide, solve answer me on your textbook. Come to the page number 25 of your textbook. Wallpapers. A wallpaper is the background picture that we see on our desktop. Dear students, जो हमारे पास desktop पे background पे picture show हो रही होती है, that is called the wallpaper. We can change the wallpaper of our desktop by following these steps. Let's come to know the steps to change the wallpaper. First, click on the Start button, then choose the Control Panel icon. Dear students, सबसे पहले आपने Start बटन पे क्लिक करना है. After clicking the Start बटन, आपके पास all programs open हो जाएंगे. उन all programs में से आपने Control Panel icon को select करना है. After selecting the Control Panel icon, the Control Panel window appears. जब आप कंट्रोल पैनल आइकन को सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो आपके पास कंट्रोल पैनल विंडो अपीयर हो जाएगी, जिसमें आपके पास बहुत सारे आइकन्स शो होंगे. फ्रॉम दैट कंट्रोल पैनल विंडो, क्लिक ऑन द डिस्प्ले आइकन. आपने उन आइकन्स में से डिस्प्ले आइकन पे क्लिक करना है. हाईलाइट द मेन पॉइंट्स ऑन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. Come to the page number 26 of your textbook. Let's come to know the step number 3 to change the wallpaper. Dear students, after selecting the display icon, a dialog box pops up. जब आप display icon को select करेंगे तो आपके पास dialog box open हो जाएगा. This is the display properties box. When we click on the desktop tab, the dialog box changes. This dialog box shows a list of wallpapers to choose from. ये students, उस dialog box में हमारे पास wallpapers की list appear हो जाएगी. हम उस list में से अपनी मर्जी के wallpaper select कर सकते हैं. We can select a wallpaper of our choice. After selecting the wallpaper, click on the OK button. वॉलपेपर सेलेक्ट करने के बाद आपने ओके बटन पे क्लिक करना है. आफ्टर क्लिकिंग द ओके बटन, हमारा वॉलपेपर डेस्कटॉप पे सेट हो जाएगा. डोंट फॉरगेट टू अंडरलाइन नो मोर. वी कैन इवन चेंज द वॉलपेपर बाय फॉलोइंग द गिवन स्टेप्स. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम एक और मेथड से भी अपना वॉलपेपर चेंज कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, राइट क्लिक ऑन द डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन. आपने अपने माउस की मदद से डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन पे राइट क्लिक करना है. After clicking the right button of your mouse, आपके पास एक drop down menu appear हो जाएगा. From that drop down menu, click on the properties to open the display properties box. आपने उस drop down menu में से properties बटन पे क्लिक करना है तो आपके पास display properties box appear हो जाएगा. Highlight the main points on your text. Let's start exercise 1. Come to the question number 1. Take the correct option. The most important program on any computer is the operating system. On the desktop, the small picture with names are called icons. The Start button is located on the taskbar. Windows is a type of system software. Desktop is the background screen of Windows. Minimize button shrinks the window from the screen to the taskbar. Restore button allows the user to reduce and increase the size of the window. Come to the question B. Write T for true and F for false statement. Microsoft Windows is the least commonly used operating system. It's false. Dear students, Microsoft Windows is the most commonly used operating system. The icons on the desktop represent programs, files, or folders. It's true. We see the wallpapers, icons, and dialog box on the screen as soon as we start the computer. Yes, dear student, it's true. As we start the computer, we can see the wallpaper, icons, and dialog box on the screen. With the help of this slide, solve question A and B on your textbook. I hope today's topics are now clear and you got each and every point. So, dear students, it's time to write task to do. The task to do for you is learn highlighted points of your number 3, page number 23 till 25. Do part A and B of exercise page number 32. Dear students, the task to do must be done in a very neat and presentable manner. Let's come to know some fun facts about Microsoft Windows. Dear students, Microsoft Windows was announced by Bill Gates on November 10, 1983. Microsoft introduced Windows as a graphical user interface for MS-DOS, which had been introduced a couple of years earlier. I hope today's topic will be helpful for you. Best of luck for your home task. Allah Hafiz.